Thanks for joining us today, and thanks for watching our video. And like always, we try to show you some tools, and maybe you get some valuable knowledge for you. We talk about damages and injuries. Of course, it's two very huge subjects, and we just only touch a very limited part of this one. I try to focus on some damages that can happen when you work on the pianos. Of course, the damage and injuries, they're related to the tools you work and to your technique, how long you work on the certain things, on your environment. It's all very important. We not going to be just focus on the tools that you're working with, but it's very important too. And one of the tools that I show you today is this adjustable platform. As you see, it's pretty simple. What it means, it's to get a bass, a very heavy bass. It's like counterweights on the wheels. It's got actuator. Actually, it's a medical use actuator. It can lift like 1,700 pounds. And platform with the two rails and leather. Basically, I designed it for one purpose, that I can put the action from the piano and bring it to the table. The reason why I did it a long time ago, just in case if you're tired or you got a problem with your back, you can just use it. But another use for this one, when you work on the concert grands, especially on the, like Bösendorfer Imperial, and this is a unique model. It's a SE player system here too, and of course the action is extremely heavy, and definitely you can make a damage on this one. How it works, I want to show you. Since it's you can roll it, you just roll it towards your key bed. As you see, you can adjust it. In my case, it's a cordless. I can lift it up, right? And I can lower it. Since I want to pull the action out, I put it a little bit lower. And now, very carefully, you just slide it here. As you remember, and you work on the concert grands, you notice that it's a lot of damage on the sides of the action, the broken shanks. I notice it's a lot of damage happen because technicians, it's very uncomfortable for them to work with these huge actions. When they pull it out, they definitely touch the keys and they break the shanks. You see, in my case, I just slide it right on my platform. Yeah, and now it's already in the platform. Now my table, or any table in the shop, could be, of course, could be higher, and without even touching the action, I should just slide it like that. And of course, in order for me to lift it, I have to take it. And you see, it's very uncomfortable. I can damage it just in a matter of seconds. Now what I do, I just lift all my platform up to the level of the table. Even I can make it higher, just that I can drop it right on the table. Of course, I understand that it's a very limited applications, but eventually you realize how it's very important, and it's not a big deal to do it. It could be just in any restoration shop when they work on any piano. And as you see, it's already goes right over the table. Yeah, that's enough. And I just put it closer because my rails. Then I slide my action. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, as you see, it's just a very limited application of this, whatever you name it, this tool or device, but it's really eliminate the damage that you can potentially make on the piano. It could be just like damage on the electronic stuff here, or on the shanks, or on the keys. And you see, it's just only beginning of opening this very important subject of damage in the piano industry. And later on, we try to step by step to show you the potential damages that can be done, and you definitely be able to prevent it and be very, very accurate and nice in the piano restoration. Thanks for watching us today, and we see you next time.